Wealthsimple has made a name for itself as the simple, commission-free platform for Canadian investors. But what if you've moved past the basics? Can Wealthsimple actually support an advanced trader? That's what we're diving into today. For a long time, Wealthsimple was primarily about simplicity, perfect for beginners, but often too limited for veterans. However, things have changed. To see if Wealthsimple fits an advanced strategy, you have to look at the tools, the order types, and the account structures they offer. Advanced trading tools. Let's start with the tools available. Advanced trading isn't just about speed, it's about precision and strategy. Wealthsimple has stepped up here. You now have access to advanced charting powered by TradingView, which lets you see candlestick and line charts across various time frames. This is a huge upgrade from the basic line graphs and gives you the depth of analysis needed for day-to-day trading decisions. You also get real-time streaming quotes, no more delays in your price feeds, and the ability to set price alerts to track critical entry or exit points. Trading products and order types. Next, what can you actually trade, and how? Beyond basic stocks and ETFs, Wealthsimple now offers options trading and margin accounts, which are essential for many advanced strategies. Options give you leverage and flexibility, and while Wealthsimple's platform is still more straightforward than some dedicated options brokers, it covers the essentials. The fee structure for options is tiered, with premium and generation clients getting lower per contract fees. As for margin trading, it's a powerful tool that allows you to borrow money against your portfolio to increase your buying power. This is a game changer for active traders, and Wealthsimple's margin interest rates are competitive, getting lower as your assets grow into the premium and generation tiers. Finally, order types are critical. You have the essentials like market and limit orders, but they also offer more strategic orders like stop limit and stop market orders to help manage risk and lock in gains automatically. Plus, you can extend the expiry on your limit and stop limit orders to up to 90 days, great for long-term strategic positioning. Limits and client tiers. Here's where the advanced label really comes into play. Wealthsimple uses client tiers, core, premium, and generation, which are based on your total assets held on the platform. Moving up these tiers is key for the advanced trader, as it lifts important limits and drops costs. USD accounts. Core clients pay a monthly fee for a USD account to avoid repeated currency conversion fees on US trades. However, premium and generation clients get the USD account free. This alone is a non-negotiable for anyone frequently trading US-listed securities. Instant deposits. Your instant deposit limit dramatically increases from up to $50,000 for core clients to up to $250,000 for premium and generation clients, allowing you to react quickly to market moves with substantial capital. Margin rates and fees. As mentioned, your margin interest rate decreases, and options fees drop significantly, from $2 per contract to as low as $0.75 per contract when you reach premium or generation status. So, while Wealthsimple started simple, it's evolved. It's no longer just for beginners. With options, margin, advanced charts, and tiered benefits, it now offers a compelling, lower-cost alternative for the more experienced Canadian trader, especially those who value a clean user experience over a dizzying array of complex features. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.